Good day everyone, my name is Kinichin Butad. I am criminology student from GGC Dumingag. Today, I will discuss the part and function of vehicle. First, I will discuss the battery.
Battery is the foundation of your ride. It helps provide the jolt of electricity necessary to power all the electrical components in your vehicle. Talk about a pretty huge responsibility. Without battery power, your car, as you probably noticed, won't start.
Next, I will discuss the radiator.
Radiator. A vehicle engine gives it the power it needs through the burning of fuel and the creation of energy from its many moving parts. A radiator helps to eliminate excess heat from the engine. It is part of the engine cooling system, which also includes a liquid coolant, hoses to circulate the coolant, a fan, and other constant that monitor the coolant temperature.
Next, I will discuss the engine.
Engine is a machine that burns fuel and converts into mechanical power.
Next, the air cleaner.
Air cleaner is vital for maintaining engine health, performance, and efficiency, and to trap the remove the particle from air drawn in by the appliance.
Next, the horn.
Horn is activated to warn other of the vehicle presence or approach, or to call attention to some hazard.
Next, the belt.
Belt, also known as a multi-rib or poly-V belt, is a drive belt that runs multiple components in a vehicle engine. It is usually made of rubber reinforced with fiberglass in a shape like a snake, hence the name.
Next, the brake fluid and the clutch fluid.
Brake fluid takes the force from the depressed brake pedal, translates into pressure, and sends this pressure to the front and rear brake to stop a vehicle. And the clutch fluid is a really just brake fluid that is kept in the clutch master cylinder. When you depress the clutch pedal, this fluid flows from the clutch master cylinder into the slave cylinder.
Next, the side mirror.
Side mirror, it helps the driver see areas behind and to the sides of the vehicle, outside the driver peripheral vision.
Next, the signal light.
Signal light that demonstrate deceleration and a change in the direction of the vehicle and make the vehicle more visible to other road user when it is dark or during poor visibility.
And the headlight.
Headlight is to emit light to the front of the car so that the driver can drive more safety.
And bumper.
Bumper is to reduce or prevent physical damage to the front and rear of vehicle in low-speed crash.
Next, the power steering.
Power steering to reduce the effort necessary to turn the steering wheel that moves the front wheel.
The next one is the hood.
Hood is the hang cover that rests over the engine by of a front engine vehicle.
Then, the windshield.
Windshield is to ensure a clear view of the road ahead for the driver, which is essential for safe driving and to potentially.
And the wiper.
Wiper to clean the windshield of the car at the front and rear. Although not all cars have wiper on the rear side, wiper work by removing oil, dust, rainwater, and dirt that get stuck to the windshield.
This is the steering wheel.
steering wheel. A steering wheel in the system it connect to primarily control the direction of a vehicle. It convert rotational command of the driver into swiveling movement of the vehicle front wheel.
And this is the speedometer.
Speedometer is a gauge that measure and display the instantaneous speed of a vehicle.
And next, this is the clutch, brake, accelerator.
Clutch. The clutch connect and disconnect the power from your engine to your wheel via the gearbox. Brake is a mechanical device that inhibits motion by absorbing energy for slowing or stopping a moving vehicle. Wheel, axle, or to prevent its motion. Accelerator in a vehicle is the pedal that control the flow of gasoline to the engine, which you press with your foot in order to make the vehicle go faster.
And the next, the engine stop.
Engine stop. The stop and start system momentarily shut off your engine and put it into a standby mode when you come to a full stop such as a red light.
And the shifting lever.
Shifting gear. Gear are useful for changing rotation speed and power by transferring the power generated by the engine to the differential.
And the next is the ignition switch.
Ignition switch. It connects the circuit that provide voltage to your starter vehicle, allowing the engine to crack over and the engine to eventually start.
And the next, the roof.
Roof. An automobile roof or air top is the portion of an automobile that sits above the passenger compartment, protecting the vehicle occupants from sun, wind, rain, and other internal elements.
And the next one, the wheel.
Wheel is one of the essential parts of the vehicle. It produces a rotatory function and moves the car from one point to another.
And the next one, the fuel tank.
Fuel tank is a reservoir that holds the fuel supply and helps maintain its temperature at a level below its flash point. The fuel tank also serves as an important means of dissipating heat from the fuel that is returned from the engine.
And the next one, the brake light.
Brake light are the light on the back of the vehicle that turn on when you press the brake pedal. This is important for safe driving condition because it provides specific notice to other driver behind you when your speed is likely to change.
And the next one, the muffler.
Muffler. They are made of steel and are coated with aluminum to provide protection from the heat and chemical release from the exhaust system.
And the next one, the spare tire.
Spare tire. A usually tire designed for temporary use, especially when the tire of the vehicle is damaged while cruising. It is used both to ensure the safety of life and to prevent further damage to the damaged tire.
And the last one, the upholstery cover of military jeep.
Upholstery cover is they protect the upholstery inside your vehicle from unsightly and smelly stains.
And that's all for today's video. Bye bye!